Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let us review the platinum tier of the Bank of America. So they have four tiers, so let us review this one right here, which is the platinum tier. So in the preferred rewards program, it requires a maintaining 3-month average daily balance up to $50,000 up to $100,000 across eligible Bank of America deposit and Merrill investment accounts. So, as a platinum member, you earn 50% bonus on eligible credit card rewards, boosting rewards on cards like premium rewards, travel rewards, unlimited cash, and customized cash. You also receive a 10%, where's the 10%? 10% on savings, interest rate uplift on savings, a $400 mortgage or origination fee reduction, a 0.35 auto loan rate discount, and a 0.25 home equity on HELOC rate discount. Plus, you get one no fee ATM withdrawal, which is this one right here at non-Bank of America machines in the US, waived fees on up to four checking savings account, incoming international wire transfers, debit card rush replacement, and priority customer service. So overall, it is a solid value upgrade if you can maintain the balance, especially for enhanced credit card rewards and banking perks, all at no extra beyond your existing balances.